Hello, hello. I'm Kelly Walters, and today we're going to get creative and we're going to heat print on a just pullover comfort colors with a hood. I know it's high 90s outside right now, but before you know it, those cool evenings, cool mornings are going to be here. Now, what's fun about this design is I'm actually going to be using 4 different colors. And if there's one thing I always get asked when I am visiting with customers that are newer to heat printing, it is how do we do multicolor designs? How do I apply one vinyl and then the other vinyl? So today I'm going to show you how to make that happen. And the first thing that we need to do is actually send our artwork that's on the computer to the cutter. We will weed and then we will apply, and then I'll show you the finished product. Let's get started. Now that we have finished all 4 colors, cutting them, now it's time to go ahead and let's weed them. That way we can get them applied. Now, that's what it looks like. So I'm going to break this apart, and while I prep this, we're going to go over to the heat press and we're just going to apply it and watch the magic happen. So let's get started on that. All right, guys, let's check out our new shirt. We've got 4 colors, 1 color being CAD Cut Fashion Film, the other 3 being our new CAD Cut Ultra Weed. So I really hope that this has sparked some interest or got your creative juices flowing, because if anything, that's what I really hope that we got to do today. Most important, don't be afraid to play around with vinyl. And you know what? If there's anything you can be in the world, be kind. Thanks for tuning in.